I'm going to tell you guys all about this unit that I have on my head, which I am loving so much. And I want to teach you all how to slay your lace wig beginner friendly. I know lace wigs are like all the rage right now on social media and real life. Everyone is really into them, and I think I'm a believer now. It's so much easier to just style a wig, plop it on your head, and be out the door and be able to have versatile hair looks while protecting your hair underneath. So if you guys would like to know all about this unit I have on, how I styled it, how I plucked it, how I made it look like this, please keep watching. Okay, so first I want to thank YWIGS because they sent me this unit for review, and I was so grateful. And I know some of you are probably thinking, whoa, like you've never done a wig review on your channel, we've never even known you to wear wigs. But honestly, I used to wear a weave back in college, like 10 years ago. I used to wear weaves until my hair got about this length, and then I stopped wearing weaves. But recently I wanted to get back into weaves and wigs, specifically wigs, but I didn't want to take the plunge and buy a really expensive unit because I figured I might not really know what I'm doing and I might not want to wear it all the time. So I was so happy when YWIGS reached out to me and sent me this wig for review. I was able to go on their website and pick, and I decided to pick something that was wavy. So this is not a straight wig. Let me read to you guys the description, which I will put all this in the description box below. This is the natural color Peruvian body wave human hair lace front wig with baby hair, and it is the style AFP03. Now I'm gonna insert a picture of what the wig looks like from the stock photo on the website. It is completely different from how I have this wig styled today, and I kind of want to just walk you guys through the process of me transforming the wig from the stock photo to what you see today. It is 20 inches, so it is fairly long, and I'm so happy to honestly have this hair length because if you guys have been watching me for many years, you know that I used to have extremely long hair and it used to be this length, and I don't have it anymore. And so I am like, y'all can't tell me anything. I love this hair. So when I first got it, I knew that there would be a fair amount that I would have to do to get it to look natural. Now I've never worn a lace front wig before ever, so I wanted to get something kind of simple. So I decided on a lace front wig instead of a full lace wig because I figured that would be a little more beginner friendly. So as soon as I got the wig, I was just so happy. I tried it on, but I knew that I would have to work with it. So I bleached the knots, and bleaching the knots is a process that you can do to help blend in the lace at the top to look like the hair is actually coming from your scalp. So I bleached the knots. I will actually include a clip of me doing that. I purchased all the things that I needed for the bleaching process from Sally's beauty supply store, and I will link those products down below. Basically, I put the bleach on the lace. Now the key to doing this so that you don't ruin your hairline is to making this consistency very thick. So I put the thick bleach consistency on the lace, and I left it on for probably 20 to 30 minutes. Now I don't think it took as well as it could have, but for my first time doing it, I was really pleasantly surprised, and I didn't want to go back and bleach it again because I was afraid of actually bleaching the hairline, which kind of did happen, but it kind of just looks like lightened baby hairs that are sun-kissed. So I did that. I let that dry overnight, and then after the wig was dried, I actually started plucking the hairline. And this is going to be a very necessary step if you don't want to have a circular hairline. Now I'm going to lift up the sides of this wig because you guys know I like to be honest with my girls. I don't have this wig fully glued down because this is my first wig and I'm kind of getting into it, and I didn't want to be stuck with this style. So I'm gonna flip up the sides and show you guys what I have going on. So as you can see, I only have the lace glued down like right here. So this is what it looks like on the side. So one thing I will say is that I think this cap is a little too small. I got the large cap, but I have a large head and I also have hair. Now under this, I did not braid my hair down because like I said, I want to be able to go from a wig to my natural hair effortlessly. I also don't know how to cornrow, and I wasn't about to go pay somebody to do it. So I just wrapped my hair and put it under the nude stocking cap that it came with. So I decided that gluing doing the whole perimeter and the back, because it actually does have lace in the back, that wouldn't be the wisest for me. So I just glued it like from here to here. So when I first got this wig, the hairline was very circular. So what you're gonna notice when you browse the YWIGS website is that their wigs are very, very reasonably priced. Now, when I say reasonably priced, I mean you can get a good wig for under $150 depending on what specifications and how long you want it and the density and all of that. But you're gonna have to do some work. So like I said, I had to pluck my hairline because it came fairly oval shaped, and I wanted my hairline to mimic my natural hair. My natural hair isn't like an oval, it kind of like dips and stuff like that. So my process for plucking, what I did was I took 1 inch of the hairline and folded it towards my face, and I pushed the hair back, and I took my tweezers and I plucked every other inch. So the reason why you're going to want to do that is if you just take your tweezers and start plucking your entire hairline, it's going to look like you have bald spots. So I plucked every other inch. So I would start from like my ear, I would pluck this portion, then I would pluck that portion, then I would pluck this portion, and then that. I wanted to do that so that when you pull the hair back, although I don't intend to wear it like that, you can kind of see how the hair gradually goes from like edges to a full scalp of hair. So that's going to be really important, how you pluck your hair. I don't know if their units come pre-plucked, but this one did not, so I had to bleach it and pluck it. But honestly guys, for my first time doing both, I think it turned out really, really nice. So after I bleached the hair and washed it and did my plucking, I let it air dry completely, and I decided to style it. Now I didn't really want to wear this wig curly, and I didn't really want to wear it straight because I kind of like loose waves. So what I did was I took Lottabody coconut mousse, and I will leave all these products down below. I smoothed out my top, and I also took that product and ran it lightly through the hair, as well as using my Shea moisture leave-in conditioner that was Jamaican black castor oil, and that provided the hair with some moisture. So I did that, put the Lottabody on, and then I took my wand curler, which I will insert a clip of me doing as well, and you can purchase that wand from Ulta. I'll leave that down below as well. And I just started doing waves going back. So I kind of wand curled my hair going back just to give it some body and wave. I think if I were to wear it in a curlier or wavier natural state, I would actually have to apply some curl enhancing products, and I wanted to kind of keep it to the product that I had here at my house. This is the finished product. I'm gonna slide back a bit so you guys can see it. I am just loving it. It is very full without being too bulky. It does come with 2 clips on the side and a clip in the back. I do always wear the clip in the back, but like 10 minutes ago I put the clips on the side, and they really make this wig secure. I will show you what it looks like from the back. Can you guys see it? Just very nice. I love it. Now, as far as the hair quality, I would say this is not the best hair quality, but it's not the worst either. When I was wearing weaves, I actually wore like a 20 to 22 inch weave, and I got my raw Indian hair straight from India. Like I would literally buy it in bulk, and I would have to say that this hair does feel like it tangles a little more, but that might just be because I really need to deep condition it. But for my initial review, I do like the hair. I like the quality. Like I said, it's not the best, but for my first lace wig, it's really, really good, and I would definitely order from this site again. So I will leave a link down below to this wig, a link to the website, and if I have a coupon code, I will leave that down below for you guys as well. I believe I have one, and I'll put it across the screen as well. But yeah, if you ladies and gentlemen are looking for a lace wig and you're a beginner, I would say definitely check out YWIGS. Like literally the help of YouTube and my friends, I was able to put this wig on, and I think I did a pretty darn good job for my first time. I also note that I use Got to Be Glued to glue this unit onto my hair glued. This is more of a really sticky adherent gel. I didn't want to use a glue once again just because I started working out and I'm definitely not wearing this wig to the gym, so I wanted to be able to take it off and put it back on. I think I'm just gonna start doing wigs for filming, at least until I get more comfortable going out and about. But I definitely think that I did a great job and I could go out like this. I think it looks really awesome, and I'm just excited to have a new hairstyle for the summer. I think it's fun to play up with different color, different textures of hair, different length, and different styles. So I'm so happy with this unit, and I really can't believe how great it turned out. So if you guys would like to purchase this, I will leave the link down below along with all the products that I used to install this unit. And yeah, I just honestly couldn't be more happy. So I hope this video helped you guys decide whether or not to purchase a wig. I'm happy. I feel like this is me 4 years ago, and I love it. Now the true test will be if I can switch up the hairstyle and do a side part or pull it into a ponytail, something like that. But for right now, I'm definitely loving this. So like I said, check out all the links down below. Let me know if you guys have any comments or questions down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.